Ever woken up to find your Monzo account frozen? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into why Monzo might be blocking accounts and what you can do about it. Monzo, the popular digital bank, has gained a massive following for its user-friendly interface and innovative features. But with that popularity comes a responsibility to comply with regulations and prevent financial crime. This can sometimes lead to unexpected account freezes, leaving customers confused and frustrated. Why accounts get blocked? Suspected fraud. This is the most common reason. Monzo uses sophisticated algorithms to detect unusual activity that could signal fraud, such as suspicious transactions, large, unexpected purchases, multiple transactions in a short time, or transactions in unusual locations can trigger alerts. Identity theft. If Monzo suspects your identity has been compromised, they'll freeze your account to prevent further unauthorized access. Money laundering concerns. Monzo is obligated to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. If your account activity raises red flags, such as receiving large sums of money from unknown sources or engaging in high-risk transactions, your account may be frozen. Breach of terms and conditions. Monzo has strict terms and conditions that all users must adhere to. Violating these terms, such as using your account for illegal activities or providing false information during account creation, can result in account closure. Risk assessment. Monzo constantly assesses the risk associated with each account. Factors like your credit history, employment status, and transaction patterns can influence their risk assessment. What to do if your account is blocked? Contact Monzo immediately. Don't panic. Reach out to Monzo through their in-app chat, phone support, or email. Explain the situation calmly and provide any necessary information to help them investigate. Gather information. Prepare any relevant documentation, such as receipts, invoices, or travel itineraries, to support your claims and demonstrate legitimate activity. Be patient. Investigations can take time. Cooperate fully with Monzo's requests for information and be patient while they review your case. Understand the reasons. Once the investigation is complete, Monzo will explain the reasons for the account freeze. If you believe the freeze was unjustified, you have the right to dispute the decision. Explore alternatives. While your Monzo account is frozen, explore alternative banking options to ensure you have access to your funds. Preventing account blocks. Monitor your account regularly. Keep a close eye on your transaction history for any suspicious activity. Report any unauthorized transactions immediately. Update your contact information. Ensure your contact information with Monzo is up to date to facilitate communication in case of any issues. Adhere to terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with Monzo's terms and conditions and ensure your account activity complies with their guidelines. Be transparent with Monzo. If you're planning any large transactions or unusual activity, inform Monzo beforehand to avoid any unnecessary account freezes. Important considerations. False positives. While Monzo's systems are designed to minimize false positives, they can sometimes occur. If you believe your account was frozen in error, be persistent in communicating with Monzo to resolve the issue. Data privacy. Be mindful of sharing sensitive information with Monzo. Only provide the information they specifically request during the investigation. Account freezes can be frustrating, but understanding the reasons behind them and knowing how to address the issue can help minimize disruption. By following these tips and maintaining open communication with Monzo, you can reduce the risk of your account being blocked and ensure a smooth banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.